You can slim down without going to the gym. To lose weight, most health professionals recommend diet and exercise. This combination has been shown to help you lose weight and maintain your weight loss long-term. But you don't necessarily have to hit the gym as your form of daily exercise. Health clubs and gyms can be expensive, far away, not enjoyable or even intimidating for some people. Fortunately, studies have shown that dietary changes have more of an effect on weight loss compared to physical activity. Losing weight with dietary changes. Eat high-protein, high-fiber breakfast every morning. Eating breakfast is an important part of weight loss. Studies have shown that regular consumption of a high-protein, high-fiber breakfast can help you stay satisfied longer and decrease hunger cravings during the day. Eat mostly lean protein, fruits and vegetables for every meal. Studies show that one of the best diets for weight loss is a moderate to low-carb diet that emphasizes lean protein and includes lots of fruits and vegetables. Avoid mindless snacking. Snacking or grazing throughout the day or late at night can sabotage weight loss. While planned, healthy snacking can support weight loss, mindless eating or grazing can counteract it. Don't drink your calories. One common cause of weight gain is the consumption of calorie-filled or sugary beverages. Ditch the sweetened drinks and consume clear, sugar-free, hydrating fluids instead. Avoid regular indulgences. A sweet treat, a glass of wine or sweetened coffee drink are types of treats that should be watched when you're trying to lose weight. Little items like these, over time, can slow or even stop your weight loss. Losing weight with lifestyle changes. Go to bed at a set time. Sleeping is crucial for your overall health, but even more so for weight loss and maintenance. Studies have shown that decreased sleep affects your body's hunger hormones, increasing your cravings and hunger the next day. Aim for between 7 and 9 hours of sleep each night. This is a general recommendation and should be an appropriate amount of rest for most healthy adults. To help you get to sleep and sleep soundly, practice good sleep hygiene. This includes turning off all lights and electronic devices. It's also recommended to stop using bright, stimulating devices, such as smartphones, tablets, TV, and laptops, about 30 minutes prior to trying to fall asleep. Exercising outside of the gym. Use exercise DVDs or online videos. If going to the gym or going for a walk or jog isn't enjoyable, try using online videos or exercise DVDs to help you get in some physical activity. Both of these options are fairly low cost or even free and are available in a variety of skill levels to meet your needs. Research some exercise DVDs or online videos to see what ones might be fun, geared to your fitness level and whether or not they require extra equipment. Do body weight exercises. Strength training, toning and building muscle can also be done at home. You don't need special machines or weights to perform any of these exercises. Incorporate body weight exercises for simple strength training at home. You can try push-ups, sit-ups, tricep dips, lunges or planks. You can also use household items for weights. Try using a water bottle, canned beans or a gallon jug filled with water. Use these items when you are doing exercises like bicep curls or lateral raises. You may also want to consider purchasing a set of inexpensive free weights or resistance bands so you can do a larger variety of activities at home. Aim to do about 20 minutes of strength training 2 to 3 times weekly. Go for free cardio. There are a variety of cardiovascular exercises that you can do at home or in your local community. Many are low cost or are free and do not require you to go to a gym to perform. Increase your daily steps. If you don't have time or don't enjoy planned physical activity, try increasing the amount of steps you take each day. The more you move throughout the day, the more calories you'll burn.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,